Once upon a time, an old woman baked a gingerbread man. She decorated him with candy eyes, a red nose, and bright gumdrop buttons. But, oh my, as soon as she opened the oven, he jumped out.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
The old woman ran after him, but he was too fast. The gingerbread man kept running down the road. A cow spotted him. "Stop, little man! I want to eat you!" the cow mooed.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
And off he ran, faster than the cow. Then a horse saw him. "Stop, gingerbread man! I'd like a bite, too," the horse neighed.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
And he dashed away, leaving the horse far behind. Soon, the gingerbread man came to a wide, deep river. He stopped. He couldn't swim. Just then, a clever fox appeared. "Hop on my back and I'll carry you across," said the fox. The gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's back. Halfway across, the fox said, "The water's rising. Climb onto my head." The gingerbread man moved up. Then the fox said, "Climb onto my nose." And as soon as he did, snap! The fox gobbled him up in one big bite. And that was the end of the gingerbread man. Moral of the story: don't brag too much, and be careful who you trust.